Hey guys, it's me Amora and I am here with yet another video. I decided to make this hair video a totally different video. So if you haven't already, check out my wash routine. And this video I'm just going to be showing you guys how to style it. So what I'm using today is Eco Salad Gel, the green one, and a brush. As I am leave-in conditioner, I'm going to use the Twist Defining Cream by As I Am as well. And then I use some coconut oil and some jojoba oil, even though the next bottle you will see is almond oil, and I just picked up the wrong one. So disregard that. I definitely use jojoba oil. So I just washed my hair not so long ago, and well, actually it was a while ago because I did another video in between that. So it's probably dry by now, which is okay. Oh Lord, it is. Look at this hair. And obviously it dried on me and it looks a hot shitty mess. However, yeah, this is it. So first of all, let me just say that the shrinkage is so real with my hair. The first couple of months that I got here, I actually got braids, and then I took like a week or two, then I got some more braids. I think I had my hair done 3 times since being deployed, and this is the longest I've went, just, you know, without getting some braids, just so it can grow and stuff. This is literally my go-to while deployed. I don't do anything else with my hair besides putting it in a little puff, but I usually do the 2 braids back, straight to the back or whatever, and that's what I'm going to do today. So, but first I am going to section off, oh Lord, I'm going to section off my hair in 4 sections. So what I like to do is section my hair off in 4 sections, and then I go one by one and comb it out, and then I will put my leave-in conditioner, my cream, and then my oil. But before I do that, I do part my hair, like I said before, in 4 sections, and I forgot to section off that side, but whatever. And I put coconut oil on my scalp, and I just go from there, and then I'm going to put the leave-in conditioner, cream, and then oil. So just a disclaimer, I didn't do my hair straight out of the shower, so it did dry a lot, and even though I put water on there before actually starting this process, it still didn't do any good because water that just doesn't do well with my hair out here. So yeah, disregard that. It looks real dry, but just disregard, you know? So I am parting my hair down the middle, straight down the middle, and after I'm done with that, I'm going to put the other side or either side up with a hair tie and then tend to whatever side is not put up with the hair tie. What I normally do is I take my Y2 comb that you see and I comb my hair down. Then I take a Denman brush and do the same exact thing. Normally my hair is not damp, it's usually wet, so it's a lot easier. And after I do that, I take some gel and I just put it on there, and then I brush with the real brush. I brush my hair the same exact way I did with the comb and the Denman brush. Just a disclaimer, I am not good at braiding. However, I do think that I get better each time that I do it. So I don't know how to explain this part to y'all. Like, braiding braiding is a little bit hard for me. So yeah, we're just going to let this video play out and I'll see you guys when I'm done. I'm just going to do the same thing for this side that I did for my other side, and yeah, I'm just going to speed it up and let go. So the part where you see me take the Denman brush and brush it down again, that's just to keep my hair in track, because I feel like sometimes I end up pushing it up. I don't know how to really explain it, but that's just to keep everything so I can easily grab it. About done. I'm just taking the ends, braiding it a little bit more, and I'm gonna twist it, take both of them, twist it, wrap it on around, stick a bobby pin in it, and I'm basically good to go. So I am done with this video. I tied my hair up because I want my edges and just everything to be laid down and all that kind of good stuff. So I have an hour or so before I go to work, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. But just in case I forget, thumbs up this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.